Morning. Boy, it's a pretty nice morning out here. It's a little cool, but it's nice. Really wet. A couple things about this round. That hole looked really small today. It was a tiny hole. The putting was just not there. Nothing felt really good with putting, so got to work on that. Got to figure out how to get through that. But then towards the end, I realized something. There's a lot of mental game to golf, and just in thinking about how the round went. In the very early round, I was really just like, everything was bothering me, whether it was my leg, my back. My left glute is actually feeling pretty good. It's a little tight, but my jacket, I only had one glove on. My club was slipping. Everything was just bothering me. And I also found that when I was running, I was looking down at my feet all the time. Later in the round, I decided to start looking up and looking at the beauty around, because, I mean, gosh, look at the trees right here. The tree is just gorgeous. I saw the barn in a nice little picturesque thing. I had to stop, take a picture of that, but I started appreciating what was around me. And all of a sudden, my swing started changing. Like, I was hitting the ball better. I was hitting the ball crisper and so on. I wasn't scoring a ton better, but on 17, I ended up chipping in for a birdie. Another birdie to rack on the season, but I'm hoping more and more of those will come every round. But I hit a birdie there, and then I think, did I par the last pair? I think I parred 18 too. And I'm not excited about pars anymore these days. I'm actually really ticked when I get double bogeys, and I don't want to settle for bogeys anymore. So that game is changing for me as well. But I had to start looking up and think, well, this is it. It's the mental game. It's enjoying where you're at. And things are so much easier when you take a positive aspect on things. Not necessarily just forcing them to be positive, but actually enjoying them. So I really got to do this, even though I'm hurt and I'm kind of down about where I'm at. I got to enjoy it, because, man, you know what? I'm documenting how bad I am right now. And I want to say, just wait. I don't know. Do I believe what I think I want to do? I don't know yet. I have kind of a doubter's mentality in that, but gosh, I just might. It's another day. Enjoy it.